Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today Nifty opened much higher than expected, and Hong Kong market was higher by 1% on top of 3% higher on Friday. And Asian markets were all firmly in green because of these restrictions regarding the COVID removed by Chinese authorities. And I thought Nifty will face some kind of a resistance around 16,520, but the fact is that it's opened much higher than that, and it was taken out within few seconds, and it is just one way rally today and without any intraday sell-off. And in fact there was some kind of a selling in Bank Nifty, but Nifty did not even see that kind of a selling. And just imagine the rally. I told you Nasdaq was up 7.5% in 3 trading sessions, but look at our market. Thursday on expiry day, in the afternoon, Nifty future broke 15,900. And today, the Nifty future high is 16,674. That means, it's a rally of about 700 points in just 12 trading hours. From Thursday afternoon to Monday afternoon, it's about 12 hours of trading only. And Nifty shot up 700 points. So as expected, IT and Reliance led the rally and Bank Nifty underperformed. And look, today Nifty is up 300 points. Out of these 300 points, 180 points rally, that's about 60% of the rally, came only from the 3 stocks Reliance, TCS and Infosys. Well, Nasdaq is higher by 3% the other day, so naturally IT stocks will have to go here. And that's how our market behaved, although there is no exactly 1:1 correlation between Nasdaq and IT. So, Bank Nifty underperformed as expected, but I did not expect Kotak Bank to fall 50 rupees from intraday high. There seems to be huge profit booking in Kotak Bank. I thought auto will underperform because the crude oil, is trading much higher. But contrary to my expectation, auto index was up nearly 2%. And though Bank Nifty has underperformed, PSU banks have done extremely well. And PSU bank index is more than 3%. And today, it's a very, very broad-based rally, mid cap, small cap, the stocks outside the Nifty actually have done very well compared to Nifty. Now, look, India VIX has fallen 7% today. In last 3 trading sessions alone, India VIX has fallen 22%, and India VIX closed below 20. And all these, it supports my view that the worst is over, at least in the short term. I think I just mentioned sanity and stability are returning to stock markets, not only in India, all over the world. And usually when the market crashes like this, the rebound will also be equally powerful. So considering the global cues and all this mayhem, I think 16,600, 16,700 is a respectable number for Nifty. What was more surprising today, and today after relentlessly selling for more than a month, FIIs have turned out to be net buyer today after a very, very, very long time. And they did not buy much, they bought for 500 crores, but still. And this is the first buy in the month of May. From May 1 until yesterday or Friday, they were net sellers, and every day they were sellers for 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 crores. But today, first time they have bought. So, all these support my view that the short-term bottom has been made already. So, I've been selling put options, 15,700 and below put option. I've been selling confidently, and because I still believe that 15,700 will be the low. So, in fact, I sold even 16,059, 15,8 also, because last month I lost huge amount of money. I have to recover fast. So, hope Nifty does not break 16,000 this month. Well, today US market is closed. So, the probability of big gap up or big gap down tomorrow is very, very little. And by looking at if the global cues are good, and because this FII becoming buyer, tomorrow we can expect slightly higher opening also. But anyway, that we will see tomorrow. Looking at the open interest and 16,500, 16,400, 16,300, all put options have been written aggressively. And in fact, I have also sold 16.5, 16.4, 16.3 put options in the weekly option. That's because, very simple, markets are bullish and tomorrow markets are likely to open flat or slightly positive because, there's no global cues. And, then if the price comes down by 5-10 rupees, then we can keep a stop loss. So, who knows? Anyway, whatever options I sold today, I'm still in profit only. Looking at the weekly options prices, that maybe people who sold 16,300 call option on Friday, they are selling 16,500 put option to manage that. But generally, the open interest, suggests that the short-term bottom for next few days is 16,500. And if everything goes well, that will be held. So, the rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed the market rally as well as watching my video. Thank you for watching.